Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Nowadays, I will share with you my today's task, like how many tasks I had to do today. So let's get started. So every day I would like to wake up early in the morning because if I don't wake up early in the morning, I don't feel better. So that every day early wake up, I am very light. After that, I completed my morning task. When completed my morning task, then I prepared my study. So first 1 hour morning time I practiced English grammars, rules and regulation, because this week before 7 days I didn't practice any single time my grammar, rules and structure. That's why today morning time, first of all, I practiced grammar. After that 1 hour I studied vocabulary. So this morning time study finish. After that I took morning breakfast, and morning breakfast complete. Morning to noon time I learned my laptop, because I have several tasks I had to complete in a day. So while learning computer finish noontime, I took bath, and today Zohar Salah I didn't complete, is very bad for me. Then after that I practiced 1 hour reading, tongue twister and writing class, and this 1 hour finish. Then every day I had to, and I like to practice 1 hour math, so that after reading and writing task finish, means before Asr 1 hour I was trying to math class, but I didn't feel well. I feel boring. So because today I don't know why I feel boring. So that's why right now I came here my land, and some time ago I was weeding my jute field. You can see my behind part, this is all our jute field. This is jute right now is very little. After 15 days later it will be very large. So this is high time to weed this jute field, because this field have many types of dirty. That's why after Asr I have come my jute field, and I was weeding my jute field, and right now I am making video and practicing English. So this is my today's task, some report I share with you. So every day I am to lots of tasks complete. That's why today also one time I studied lots of time. That's why I didn't feel well, and my brain is didn't properly work. That's why after Asr prayer I have come my field, and right now I am feel very happy, because this in the field is very cold air come, and right now sky also some cloud coming. That's why at this moment weather is very cool, and cool air coming. So I am feel very happy. That's all about today video topic.